Okay, so today we're going to go over 5 reasons why I like security doors better than screen doors. Number 1 is a security door has got steel construction. These things are a lot sturdier than a screen door. A security door will last a lot longer. It's going to be a lot more durable with this steel construction. You can see you got your steel frame here, your steel frame there. A lot more sturdy. Number 2 is it's got heavy duty hinges. It's got these steel hinges here. It's a lot more durable than what you're going to get on a screen door. Not only are the frames flimsy on a screen door, but the hinges are flimsy. Get a nice solid swing and close with that. And then number 3, you have room for full-size hardware here. You can put a regular door handle on here. You can put a deadbolt in here. Where with a screen door, usually you have really flimsy little handles, and there's no room for a deadbolt. You probably just have a little hook there to lock it. So this is much better. Number 4 is you get this metal screen, this metal mesh screen. This is really nice. And if you go, like if your main purpose is to have this inside to protect, against pets from damaging the door and from kids once you're in here, you see this is much more sturdy than you're going to get from a screen door. So we had 1, it's a better construction, much more durable. Number 2, it's got solid hinges, better hinges. Number 3, it's got room for full-size hardware. Number 4, it's got the metal screen on there. And then number 5, it's a security door. So it gives you an added level of security that you're not going to get from a screen door. You go to yank on this, it's not coming. Nobody's just going to yank this off. Where you do that with a screen door, you're going to yank the thing right off. So the screen door doesn't really have any security at all. So we got 1 over there. That project is still in progress. We got to finish the screen up on that side. We got this security door up here. And that security door up there. All right, I hope that helps.